Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer organization. So let's get started. In a write-back cache policy, when is the data actually written to the main memory? The correct answer is option A. Only when the cache line is about to be replaced. In a 5-stage pipeline, if ID, EX, MEM, WB, which stage is responsible for calculating the effective address of an operand for a load instruction? The correct answer is option B, execute EX. Which of the following DMA transfer modes allows the DMA controller to take control of the system bus for a single word transfer and then return it to the CPU? The correct answer is option C, cycle stealing mode. In PC relative addressing mode, the address of the operand is found by adding the offset to the. The correct answer is option D, program counter. According to the IEEE 754 single precision floating point standard, what is the bias value added to the exponent? The correct answer is option A, 127. Where is the control information stored in a microprogrammed control unit? The correct answer is option B, control store, ROM. Which interrupt handling mechanism uses a common request line and a serial connection to determine the priority of devices? The correct answer is option C, daisy chaining. What is the primary purpose of a translation look-aside buffer, TLB, in a virtual memory system? The correct answer is option D, to cache recently used page table entries. In Booth's multiplication algorithm, which bit pair, current bit, previous bit, triggers a subtraction of the multiplicand from the partial product? The correct answer is option A, 10. Which of the following is a characteristic of a RISC, reduced instruction set computer, architecture? The correct answer is option B, single-cycle instruction execution. Which type of processor is designed to perform the same operation on multiple data points simultaneously, often used in scientific computing? The correct answer is option C, vector processor. In memory interleaving, if we have n modules, how is the address typically distributed to allow simultaneous access? The correct answer is option D. The lower order bits select the module. What does interrupt latency refer to in computer organization? The correct answer is option A, the time from the start of an interrupt request to the start of the ISR. Which of the following techniques is specifically used to mitigate control hazards in a pipeline? The correct answer is option B, branch prediction. Which RAID level provides striping with double distributed parity to protect against two simultaneous drive failures? The correct answer is option C, RAID 6. Content addressable memory, CM, is also known as. The correct answer is option D, associative memory. Data forwarding or bypassing is a technique used to resolve which type of pipeline hazard? The correct answer is option A, raw, read after write. In which I/O method does the CPU constantly check a status flag to see if the I/O device is ready for data transfer? The correct answer is option B, programmed I/O polling. The von Neumann bottleneck is primarily caused by. The correct answer is option C, shared bus for both instructions and data. During the instruction fetch phase, which register's content is typically placed on the address bus? The correct answer is option D, program counter, PC. How many parity bits are required for a 7-bit data word to implement a single error correction, SEC, Hamming code? The correct answer is option A, 4. In a centralized bus arbitration scheme, which component is responsible for resolving simultaneous requests for the bus? The correct answer is option B, bus controller. In a 4-way set associative cache, each set consists of how many blocks? The correct answer is option C, 4. A superscalar processor achieves parallelism by. The correct answer is option D, issuing multiple instructions per clock cycle. In a big-endian system, where is the most significant byte, MSB, of a multi-byte data word stored? The correct answer is option A, at the lowest memory address. Which type of computer architecture does not use an address field in its arithmetic instructions, e.g., just AD? The correct answer is option B, stack-based architecture. A hardwired control unit is generally implemented using which of the following? The correct answer is option C, combinational logic circuits and flip-flops. A page fault occurs when. The correct answer is option D. The requested page is not present in physical RAM. According to Flynn's taxonomy, a traditional uniprocessor system is classified as. The correct answer is option A, CISC. Dynamic RAM, DRAM, is slower than static RAM, SRAM, primarily because. The correct answer is option B, DRAM requires periodic refreshing of charge. Thank you for watching.